Hi guys, welcome to Karen's Corner. Time for another deliberate dilution journal. And some of you asked me, what do you mean with deliberate dilution? Well, it's that I deliberately use only dilutions, for as far as that's possible, of course. Because the last page I made a few pages back, I needed just a few of these stickers to make it pop a bit more. And over here I have some glitters. And this is not dilutions because I don't have a dilution spiderweb. So I try to use as much as I can and only dilutions. So deliberately just dilutions. I thought it sounded nice, so that's why I call it deliberate dilutions. Okay, let's get started. Today it's a very autumny weather. It's raining, it's pouring. I wanted to say, and my husband is snoring, but he isn't. So, let's do the next page. I hope this doesn't bother me later on. I need to remember that there are little glimmery items over there. I don't know what I want to yet, to be honest. Yes, I do know. I want to use an umbrella because it's raining. And I want to make it like it's a bit like it's raining. I'm not making sense, I know. I have an idea of using the blue shimmer spray. Yeah. And using the normal spray, green for the grass and a bit of blue for the sky. But this is really bright blue, is it? Okay. So I thought I'd just start by spraying something. Spray, not too much because this paper can't really handle that. So a bit of green over here and a bit of blue over here. Oh well, this is dark enough, I think. And then just do this. I could have done it on one side of the page. Sometimes I think, why? It's so simple. I need to declog this thing, otherwise next time it won't work. Always remember doing that. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Ooh, that's nice. Bit too wet, as you can see. So I'm just gonna dab it dry a little. I hope it doesn't bleed through over here. Oh well, it's a dark page. Okay. Oh yeah, right. You should have. I keep forgetting. I should have protected my desk. I didn't. So it's a really nice color now. Why do I keep forgetting that? Oh well. Ah well, it's okay. It isn't that bad, I hope. But you know, I keep doing that. Okay, I need to dry this, guys. Well, I think this is the best I can do for now. Of course, it bled through over here, but that's not so bad because this is a creepy page and oh, this is okay. You know, I don't mind as much as I did. I don't like it, but I think, oh well, I've made this page, I've had my fun with it, and on to the next one. Now this is a bit darker than I wanted. I wanted the sky to be light, because now I'm not sure if what I want is gonna work. Because what I want is swoosh this. Oh my gosh, was this the one that didn't work? So you need to swoosh it around. You shouldn't shake it. Then you get bubbles. I think it's swooshed enough. What I want to do, if it works, yeah, you really need to declog these, otherwise it's gonna be awful. Okay, what I want to do, maybe without water. First, let me try on a piece of paper. I want to make little raindrops. This is really nice, but you see the block. That's what I wanted to say. If I do it like this, I can do it both. The difference is, if I use a normal block, you just get splatters. But if I use the small one, you can make it go in a certain direction, but I'm not sure about it. Or maybe I should do this one time and then... I'm not sure if you're gonna see the shimmer. I've never done this before. I have done this before. I was doing it very, how do you say that? Thinking very much, I wanted this to be filled with ink so I could make a nice impression. That didn't work, and then I just got angry and I started doing this, and yeah. Throwing a little tantrum. And then I got this and I thought, that's nice. That was, I think, 10 years ago, and by now everyone does this, but 10 years ago it was new. I'm not sure if this is gonna shimmer or not. Is it? Maybe I put too much water in here now. Maybe I should just get some new shimmer spray. Where did I put it? I hope you can see the shimmer, because that would be fun. Otherwise it's still nice, but I really want shimmer. Yeah. Okay. Let's do that again. There's lots of shimmer in here, so. It's raining, it's pouring. I like it. Oops, should not have said that, because now I've got a big one. Oh boy, always. What do you think? This looks like rain, doesn't it? It's really coming down. I like it. I really like it. It's better than what I expected, to be honest. I really need to clean everything now. So this I might just clean with my magazine. Awesome. Where do I put it? Needs to dry. And I need to go over it again. My whole craft sheet is blue. Really blue. Okay, let's put this back. No. Let's just put this back first, because I'm starting to throw stuff on the ground. Okay, I need to dry the rain now, guys. Okay, that's not something you say very often. It looks awesome. The rain is dry. That looks amazing. Oh, and it shimmers. It shimmers. You've got shimmer rain. Awesome. Okay, so it's best to take the a small block. It can be a little one, of course, but I have this one. And take the small side. And just, then you get the rain falling from one direction, so there's just a wind gust over here. You can also do it with a block, and then you just have splatters everywhere. I like it. Sometimes I think, that was a really good idea. I thought of it myself. I amaze myself. Okay, so now what? I have an umbrella. And I have her. I want some grass or stuff, so I thought I could use these or these. Oh, this will be nice. And I thought I might use this one again. I used it last time, but I want something that can hold an umbrella. This one has a toothbrush. I can make it an umbrella, but then she's not holding it over her head. That's a bit stupid. This one doesn't have a head. Well, it's cut off. It's a bit creepy. Or this one. She's got rain boots. Okay. Ah, this one or this one, I'm not sure. Okay. And then an umbrella. Yeah. I think I like this one better. Although she has really nice wellies. This one is barefoot. Why not? So I can put something on her head. Something fun. But what? I don't know. I think there needs to be something on here, don't you? Well, an umbrella, of course, but also, let's just see. I can use this crown, of course. Yeah. Or one of this. Decisions. Why is this a difficult decision? I can give her a little hat, but that's kind of big. You know what? I don't know. First I'm gonna stamp the umbrella and then I'll find out. I'm gonna use this one with the dots. This one. Need to stamp that on a piece of paper, which I don't have over here. All my little scraps are gone, so I only have this big thing. I can also... Or is that just too weird? Give her a dog head. Very weird. Still have this from last time. Or a kitty cat head. Actually, why not? I can put this head on. It's just weird, but I kind of think it's funny. And I'm just gonna do it, and then there's gonna be doggy over here. That's totally different from what I thought I would do. Yeah. I have a dog's head that's loose, but I want a kitty cat. That's weird. Okay. So this beautiful head, I'm just gonna cut it off and put a kitty cat head on there. Why? I don't know. Just because I can. So I'm gonna make it a bit skin color, I think. The doggy is gonna be I don't know. I'm gonna give the cat blue ears, as one does. Well, that's not blue, it's turquoise. Okay. Okay, let's just decapitate the cute little kitty. Oh my gosh, what am I doing? Oh, look at it. Okay, I like it. I need to remember to draw the whiskers back in, because I'm just gonna cut them off right now. That's a bit sad. First I'll decapitate the little kitten and then I'll just cut off her whiskers too. What kind of person are you? Where did this come from? I was just gonna give this lady an umbrella and then maybe make some grass, and that was it. And now I'm giving her a cat's head. And that's a cute little dachshund, ja. Een tackle. In Dutch. I kind of like it. So I'm sorry. I'm just gonna decapitate you too. Okay. So you have this. Can I put this on the dog? Oh my gosh. That's awful. That's just too much. Do I want that? Do I want this head on this cute doggy? No, I just want the cute doggy. That doesn't really completely fit. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna color this in and stamp an umbrella. This is a weird page. What color shall I make the doggy? The doggy. I want bright blue. Is this bright blue? No, it's not. Of course it's not. I want bright blue. That seems to be a difficult color. Or shall I make it really awful with that really awful color green? Although this is the same color green. I really love this color. It's so awful. I can use this one. Okay, here I go. I'm gonna color this. I think I'm gonna do the edge with this color green. Sounds nice. Guys, I'm just gonna fast forward this. Okay, now for the slippers. They need to be awesome. You know what? I'm not sure if this is gonna work. I'm gonna give it a glitter slipper. This is, of course, this is not Dylusions, but oh well. This deliberate Dylusions and then some. This is from Nouveau glitter marker. Awesome. I love the fact that this color is exactly the same as the spray. So this is just a cheap Tiger twin marker, and it's exactly the same color. That's really awesome. So now I need some umbrellas. So let's stamp those. I need some ink. So I think I'm gonna do 2 umbrellas because they both want to stay dry. Let's see if I can clean this a bit. Well, it's archival ink, so it's okay if it stays on here. So this umbrella. Ooh. Okay, and of course an umbrella thing. A thing, well, that's very clear. Okay, so this needs to be colored in as well. First I'm gonna dry it. Right, what color shall I do? Something totally different. Orange? Why not? Let's do orange. Hope this works. Okay. Orange and yellow. This one is gonna be orange and yellow. Okay, well that was bright. Let's fussy cut. And finished. So now what? Now you've got a cat lady. And a doggy that doesn't really quite fit, so I might just cut the nose off and glue this on separately because I really want the little tail to stay here. And then you have this umbrella and this umbrella. This is just so weird. I'll just put this over here and this over here. Okay, that's just weird. Okay, let's find some glue. And then the sentiment over here. So I do have some sentiments. I don't have grass yet, but I don't think I need it. I like it this way. I have nothing that's to do with rain, or you can't skip and be unhappy at the same time. That's really nice. There's nothing in here that has to do with a bit of rain. I'm perfect the way I am. Meh. Okay. Out of my way, I have my sassy britches on. Well, I'm just gonna do this one. I need something. I don't have anything that says rain or so, but this one is nice as well. I've never used it. So, I think I want it to be white this time. Do I? I'm not sure. By now I always have something, a bit of color underneath my quotes. This one has never been used before, so I hope it'll work. Oh, I forgot my stamping thingy. Well, let's do that again. Shall I leave it white or shall I make it yellow? I think I'm gonna leave it white so it'll pop a bit more. Okay. It'll pop a lot, won't it? Or light blue. I have that very too light blue. I can do that. But this ink doesn't do well with this. It's all so difficult. What's this? It's gonna be this. It's an old memento marker and it still works. I've had this one for I think 15 years, if it's not all of, maybe 20 years. Okay. I'm going to cut this one. And then let's glue it all on the page. Not sure if you can hear it, but it's pouring. Can you hear that? I'm not sure if you can hear it, but it's really coming down. And the kitty cat just went outside. Well, she'll regret that choice. Oh, poor kitty. Okay. So, now for the glue part. Oh yeah. This turned out better than I thought. Okay, here we go. So, how do I do that? First the umbrella, I think. First the umbrella thingy. Handle. What do you call that? So this one can be cut off here, I think. So, the doggy. Yeah, it's gonna be this. Oh, I'm gonna fold his nose back. That's a bit sad. But I think I can keep it on this way. I don't need to cut it off. Oh, it's a bit sad. Poor little doggy. He's got a folded nose. Okay, bit of glue over here. Now I need to do this right, of course. So that's not gonna stay like that. That's not gonna work, is it? I think I need to cut it. Sorry, guy, I need to cut your nose off. That's a bit sad. Just a bit of surgery. And here you've got your nose back. This is so weird. Okay. And then out of the way. He doesn't have trousers, So I found out that it was breeches or trousers. I have my sassy breeches on. Oh boy. It would be nice if they had invented glue that wasn't so sticky. Yeah, okay. Sorry guys. What's the point? Non-sticky glue. That would be awesome for me. But I don't think they will invent something like that. I have my... Now guys, for the ever returning question. Shall I make my a border around it or not? I feel it needs it. I just do. And let's just say by now it's my trademark or something like that. Okay. Finished with the glue. Except it's gonna be on my hands all day. But so stupid. Oh, I love the shimmer. I'm just gonna do it. If you agree or not, I'm just gonna do it. Now the question is, do I make it white, black or orange? Black it is. And it doesn't work. Nothing works today. Do I have... This is fine, but... Oh, yeah. I need new... And this one doesn't work either. What's going on? It's just running out of ink day. What else? This is... I don't have a fine liner anymore. This one? Or... Oh, this one is nice. I need to get me some new ones. Oh my gosh, it's going around the tail. Oh well. I need to give them something to stand on. You see that they're floating. Well, the dog isn't anymore, but the cat lady is. I made a cat lady. Or a lady cat. So I'm just gonna do this. I could have made some grass, of course, with the stems, but oh well. This is nice as well. Now they have something to stand on. Okay. Oh boy. That's funny. Finished. Ta-ta! It's raining. I love the shimmer effect. You see that? Oh my gosh, I love the shimmer spray so much. What do you think of this weird page? I think the nose is so sad. Poor little doggy, but it works. Okay. Yeah, I had the idea of umbrellas and rain and shimmer spray. And then it ended up looking like this. I really like it. So let me know what you think about this page. I think it's really funny. It's weird. Yeah, you know, I would love a thumbs up and stuff like that. And I would really love to read your comments. Shall I just give the little putty cat? I think it's a bit sad. I'm just gonna give her a little bit longer whiskers. It's hardly anything, but oh, poor thing. So, okay, that's better. I just felt sorry for the little putty cat. Okay, so again guys, I would love to read your comments, and I love this. I really love this effect. I want to use it more often. Next time I might just use the bigger block and just get splashes, see what happens. I really like it. I want to do it more often. Okay, so guys, I always end my videos by saying I have creative videos every Monday and Wednesday, and then Disney videos every Saturday. Take a deep breath. And then something in between if I have something to show you, which I always do. So, so I would love it if you subscribe. And now I just see that this looks really weird. I just keep adding to this page, but it should be like that because it's just floating somewhere. Okay. So, now it's finished. So all that's left to say is groetjes from Holland, greetings from Holland. Bye. Okay, it seems like I don't want to end this video, but I think this needs a bit more of this. A bit more bright, although now it might look as if she's got holes in her leg. I thought it needed a bit more color. I don't know why, but I just do. And I want this to be really, really bright. So I'm gonna do this. I felt it was a bit not bright enough compared to the rest. Well, now it is. Bit of orange. Okay, that looks better.